6:36 to go in the game. Biohazard trail 4-1. Birnbaum to the box. And we'll find out what the call was on Birnbaum.
Biohazard penalties, number 75, Adam Birnbaum. Receives 2 minutes for elbowing.
2 minutes for elbowing.
Penalty 3:24 of the third period. Birnbaum, 2 minutes for elbowing and 3:24 of the third period.
Biohazards need a short-handed connection. They gave up one tonight, and now they need to score one. Cheese tries to clear it. He does. Cola going to apply some pressure. Cola and Cheese kill with Peloso and Raymond. Raymond backhands it out of the zone. Cola trying to chase it down. Cheese trying to intercept it. And now it's cleared out. And Cola can try and get there. He does. Cola tries to lead for Cheese. Can Cheese get there? Yes, Cheese can. Cheese trickles. Oh, that's a nice play by 3. But Cheese keeps the play alive. 45 seconds to go in the man advance to the Lightning. And that Birnbaum's elbowing penalty. Cola now trying to center it. And now we have a 1-on-1 going the other way. Raymond gets back. 2-on-1 now. James Paul on 25 seconds to go. As we adjust our angles in the booth, our camera angle. Oh, another opportunity there gone by. Another important face-off here. Biohazard try to kill off the remainder of this period penalty. And they're going to do just that. As Cheese is going to chase the puck. And that's going to do it. We're about to be back to even strength. Raymond, Cheese. Steckle back. Birnbaum on the ice, switches out. Well, Peloso comes off. Birnbaum comes on. And Cheese keeps the puck in. Cheese make a plate to get to the net. Cheese loses it. So Birnbaum tries to keep it, he can't. 3D on right now for the Biohazard. Brent Peloso and Birnbaum. And oh, nice play there to keep it in. Out the net. Face off the left side. We have 9 minutes to go in the game. Brent up the left side. Throws it up. He's got Paul. He's got to try and get the puck to Paul. So the only good thing for the Biohazard is they're not being shut out tonight. That's PBA got him on the board. Brian tries to get up the Paul, too strong. Paul applying pressure. Peloso now. That's touched up. Paul gonna play a little cat and mouse. Brian to help give pressure. Birnbaum tries to break it up, he can't. But Brent does. Paul takes over the blue line. And down behind the net. Is he going to be 13th to the puck? Yes, he is. He's going to try and get to Brian. Brian trying to get to Birnbaum. Birnbaum's going to play it back, though. Here comes 9. Birnbaum Peloso trying to break it up. 9 trying to get to 4. puck stayed in. Not wide. Birnbaum can't clear it. Oh, little slip there. Birnbaum gets up to Cheese. Cheese got a man to beat. He's the line and he misses it. Seven minutes even to go in the game. Cola looking to generate a 2-on-1 break with Cheese. Cola across to Cheese. Cheese gets the play broken up. Vin trying to keep it alive, but he can't. And now 3-on-2 going the other way. But Vin and Cheese get back into the action. Cola and Vin, 2-on-none. Covered up. Oh, Cola get into a fight. And Vin there to break it up. And Peloso wants to get wrapped up into it. Peloso jumping into the fray as the linesman pushes Cola to the box. Telling him to get lost. Ball pulling Peloso in. So we'll see how Tony's dished out right after this.